Botulinum toxin, more commonly known as Botox, is the standard treatment for blepharospasm. However, very often we note that there is a hesitancy in the patients saying that the effect will not last forever and the injection will have to be repeated. It is true that the effect of Botox wears off in 4 to 5 months, but the way it controls the spasm and improves the quality of life and the day-to-day functions of the patient suffering from the spasm, taking it is worth it. More than the patients, the families need to understand कि स्पेशल हेमीफेशियल स्पैज़म या ब्लेफरोस्पैज़म कंट्रोल होने से पेशेंट की क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ जो इम्प्रूव होती है वो is more important than the repeatability of the injection, and the repeatability of the injection should not be a criteria for not taking Botox in these cases.